Good morning. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to do journaling by fives. I did it this time last year and came back out with this, I really like it, fantastic art journal. The concept was devised by Shannon Green. I'll put the link to her video explaining it all and the whole idea behind it in the description. Essentially, it's kind of speed journaling. I found it very helpful with my all-round art journaling, so I'm going to do it again. I had another bash at it a while back and I didn't really play by the rules, so it didn't really work. I mean, that's pretty nice, but I didn't complete it. So, because I'm a little bit lazy and to save on resources, I'm just going to use the backs of these and have another bash at it. I've not decided yet whether or not I'm going to fast forward the video or not. I may just keep it real time. It all depends on if I get bored watching it myself. If I get bored watching something myself when I'm editing my videos, then I kind of think you guys are all going to get bored watching it, so I cut bits out or I speed things up even more than they already are sped up. So yeah.